Let's science this. I'm on it.
Come discover the world around us.
We'll observe nature's wonders.
Using science and imagination, we'll experiment and build creations.
Darwin and Newts, having fun with trial and error. Darwin and Newts,
Bringing all their friends together. Find out how things work with Darwin and Newts.
Nice tune, Darwin. Hey, Darwin. Have you ever noticed when you hit different objects, they make different sounds?
Yes, I was just observing that, Newts. Or should I say, hearing that.
Isn't it great? Why do different objects make different sounds?
Well, that's because it depends on what the object's made of. Hard, soft, solid, or hollow.
Wow, that was an interesting sound.
That was an interesting sound. Do it again, please, Newts. The sound seems to come from the way the wire moves.
I've got a great idea. I'm going to get lots of different objects together and make something. I'm on it. Yes. Huh? Presenting my latest invention, Newts' noise-creating drumming machine. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tahirua torufa. Do you like it, Darwin?
It's amazing!
What did you say?
It's amazing! But a bit loud.
Sorry, I can't hear you.
I said they're a bit loud.
Darwin, I think you're being a bit loud.
Sorry, Newts, but I'm trying to read this book and your drumming makes it hard for me to concentrate.
Oh, I am so sorry, Darwin.
It's okay, Newts, but how about I help you set up your drum kit down in the garden shed?
That's a great idea.
Now you can make as much noise as you like, Newts.
Thanks, Darwin. Woo-hoo! Ha-ha!
This door will block most of the sound. And the further away I go, the quieter it gets. I wonder if Newts is thirsty too. Newts, would you like some water? Newts! She can't hear me calling. For the same reason I can't hear her drumming.
Hey, Darwin. My drumming's not too loud, is it?
No, with the shed door closed and you being further away, it's not loud at all.
Great.
Would you like a glass of water?
Thanks. I'm really thirsty.
more cheese? She still can't hear me. Your drumming's getting really good, Newts. Are you hungry?
Really hungry. Thank you. Darwin, this is my favourite. Cheese and pickle. Or as I like to call it, chickle.
Kia ora, Darwin. Oh, kia ora, Henny.
I heard some drumming, so I brought my guitar over for a sing-along. A waiata.
Newts will love that. The drums are this way. We put the drums in the shed so it's not so noisy in the treehouse.
Clever idea. Yeah!
Newts, you have a visitor.
Oh, kia ora, Henny. Do you like my drums? You're so clever, Newts, making your own drum kit. I brought my guitar so we can play music together. That sounds beautiful.
And look, te tiro. The sound is vibrating along the strings.
What does vibrating mean?
When something shakes quickly, like this guitar string, the sound vibrates the wire and travels along it.
That's how we hear. The sound makes the ear vibrate, just like my fingers make the strings vibrate. Look, Titino, I'm vibrating too.
Kind of. Have fun, you two. I'm going to finish my book. Call me when you're ready to perform. Going up and down to talk to Newts is hard work. There must be a better way. Let's science it. When sound travels through the air, it gets quieter as you move further away. And when you shut a door, it gets quieter too. So I could hardly hear Newt's drumming, and she could not hear me calling to her. But I also learned that sound can vibrate along a thin wire like Henny's guitar, which gives me an idea. Perfect.
Hey, Henny, we need to perform a song that Darwin will like. I know. Why don't we write our own song for Darwin? Ooh. Ooh.
Pull the string tight. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Tahi rua toru. Can you hear me? Over.
I can hear you. Over. And it's amazing. Over.
Presenting my 10-string sound conductor device. Over.
What a great invention. Over. How does it work? Over.
My voice vibrates along the string so you can hear me at the other end without me having to shout. Over.
And the sound vibrates back along the string so you can also hear me. Over.
Exactly. Call me when you're ready to perform. Over.
Over and out for now. Over.
Hello? Kia ora.
1, 2, 3, 4. Testing, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Can you hear us sing ABC? ABC. Do you hear the sound when I sing? Through the air and down the string. This is the song that we've been jamming. From a little tune Darwin's been humming. Now it's a beat that Newts likes drumming. And a melody Henny likes strumming.
sounded wonderful. Over. Newts, Henny!
That was so much fun!
Yes, and you two sounded great.